Howdy folks. Isaiah and I are doing our least favorite job. We're tearing down a farm. So our big 64-acre piece that somebody was letting us use, he needs it this year to cut some hay on because he was short on hay. So we got somewhere else to go, but we got to pull this fence up. So Isaiah and I, we've been winding it up. It's almost a half a mile long, the piece we've been working on. So it's pretty brutal. So this is our last big piece. We've been busy at this for a few days. But there is a lot of friction between here and the half-mile line. So we've got a modified spinner. Here, come over here, we'll look at it. This is a spinning Jenny, but they're not near tough enough. We folded these arms right back. So I put this brace in, and then Johnny did the rest of them. And made a heavy duty cranking handle. That's how we wind it. It's gonna be hard going for a while. Ah, come on. Ah, we're already jammed. All right, we gotta go find a splice. It's caught somewhere. Brutal. It got stuck. Oh, that was stupid. There's a splice. It caught. Caught the very last post, half a mile away. Oh, it's so dumb, I didn't see that when I was down here. Oh, I was down here like yesterday, and I was down here about 20 minutes ago. Now I gotta walk a half mile back just to start all over again. We'll get it. It's always a race back to the truck, but I broke him this time. Last time he was in the lead running with his eyes closed. Not really sure why. I passed him. This time he's not gonna try. You gotta stay motivated, get after it, even when you're tired. Ah, this is brutal. It gets easier eventually. Good grief. Gotta keep it going in. You should move around a little bit. It's arm day. No need to do any push-ups or chin-ups today. Now we just gotta tie it all together so it doesn't explode on us. I'm using the infamous piece that got stuck on us. That was silly. Should have paid better attention when I was down there. So I wound it in an oval shape because this wire has so much pressure. It gives me two options to get rid of some of the pressure, because these bolts, you can't, like, they're about to break. There's like hundreds of pounds of pressure on that. Now we let it bunch off. And we'll do this one. There we go. You can see, like, it actually put a crease in the wire, like bend, just from that extreme pressure. That's just crazy. But that's, if we wouldn't have modified our poor little spinner, we would have destroyed it. You gotta show all the parts. We're pulling out these stakes now. Johnny and I have done about half a mile so far. Oh! I gotta make a puller. Oh man. These ones are in really deep. We've had some problems on our half mile with this one. Extra hard. You have to hold pliers. Ow! I kind of count pliers as cheating, and I had to cheat on that one. I'm gonna build a puller someday. Unless we find a cheap one online. That's a half a mile of posts right there. Johnny carried him back. He's got monster biceps now from doing the forklift the whole way. We're taking out our JCO Corners to move to a new farm. We had so much trouble putting some of these in because it was so dry and hard last summer, but they're coming out great. I did hear that if you leave them in for a couple years, then they kind of get stuck, but these ones were just in for about 10 months maybe, and they're coming out great. Hey folks, go check out our Farmer Special phone holster. These things are super handy. I wear this one every day. We all know we can't go anywhere without our phones these days, and this is what keeps my phone safe and secure.